So the so this one right here is a server, and the other three are the clients, and they're general 4, and the server is general 3. So right now I'm going to compile the server. So it compiled, and then compiled the client. Okay, great. It both compiled. Now let's run the server. So it's server. And the port we're assigned to is 26,000 to 26,499. Okay, the server is on, and run the client 10.120.70.105, 26,000. Okay, so for the client, let's call it client 1, and the balance 100, and the IP address is 10.120.70.146, and the port to the bank was assigned to 2602 and 26,001. Okay, and now let's create the second client. So it's client. And we just call it client 2, balance 200, 10.120.70.146, same as client 1. And the port number, let's go as 26004, 26003. Okay, and you can see we've already added 2 clients to the bank. Now let's add the third one. Call it client 3, 300, 10.120.70.146, same as the other 2, and assign the ports. Okay, so now let's make a cohort from client 1. Let's select 3, create a cohort, and then enter name, which is client 1, and enter the total number of people in the cohort, which is 3. Okay.
Okay. But as you can see here, there's a segmentation fault. So I could so we I'll just try to guide you through our code right now. So uh here here it is. So for opening a cohort, you just have to hold on. Oh, all right. So we just have to go open cohort, uh, create a cohort, right here. So this is you just enter your name and then enter the total number of people in the cohort, and then this we just create a packet and we send it to the server. So right here, we have a we have a case, we have a switch statement that uh kind of like chooses it will choose which what kind of response to send back according to the packet. So we have packet.command choice equals 3, and that is for open account. So we just randomly pick another customer and we just add them to the cohort. Then we send back the diagram to the client. So here we go. Back, receive a response, same thing, but here, and then we just show if it's successfully created or not. Okay, and then now we're gonna issue some deposits and withdrawals. So here, case 6, make a deposit. We're just updating our balance locally, and then after that, we create a packet and we send that to the server to do some updates. So for the same thing here, command, command choice equals 6 or 7. This is because uh, posits and withdrawals are basically doing the same thing. They're just uh, doing one is doing addition and the other is doing subtraction. So there we go. So so here transfer money, this is only involving the client, so don't have to look at the server anymore. So here we just checking if the customer is in a cohort or not. And then here we're entering the amount to transfer, and then we just send the packet to the client. So here, back up, uh, we have a choice to listen for packets from the server or from other cohort members. So in this case, it'll be two. So come down to here. We listen to packets, we receive them, and then we just check for the message type. So here it would be package dot choice. It would be 0, so it would be receiving a transfer message. So it was just take a look at definitions, and here transfer. Yep, peer-to-peer packet. So here we're just doing a transfer. We're not doing checkpoint or rollback yet. So choice would be 0. Then here, back to here. Yep, choice would be 0. And then we're just uh updating the other client's balance, and we're just um that's it. So okay, and then for loss transfers, so we're just simulating a loss transfer. So here we basically do the same thing as transfer, except that we don't send the packet at all, right? So here to make a checkpoint, we kind of create this tentative checkpoint first, and then according to the pseudocode, we just do all this, sending packets cli- between clients, and then same thing here. So we won't, this time we're not receiving a transfer message, we're just doing checkpoints. So here, checkpoint, uh, take a tentative checkpoint. This is just according to the pseudocode. And then, we're just sending back packets to, we're either sending back to like the other I mean, cohort members. And yeah, that's it. And then it's just different, make permanent, so make tentative checkpoint permanent. There's just different messages to be passed in the packet. So same thing here with rollbacks. Hold on, rollbacks, yeah. So here we're just following the pseudocode again. So like uh packets between clients. So to delete a cohort, that would be case 4. Where's case 4? Case 4. Yeah, to delete cohort here, we just pass in the packet to the server, and then we receive a response, and that basically the server just goes ahead and deletes the cohort from its cohort database. So right here, yeah, we just we delete the customer from the customer database, and we delete the cohort from the cohort database. So, and then we have them exit and um have them exit, and then that's it.
That's it for our video, and thank you for watching.